High heat, high humidity, high pressure differential. You're not facing a simple ventilation issue, you're facing a complex aerodynamic challenge. Traditional fans can't handle high-resistance environments? You need precise, powerful, and sustained driving force. Introducing the Longwell Centrifugal Fan. The true master of high-pressure airflow. Its secret weapon lies in this unique scroll case and impeller design. It doesn't push air, it accelerates and slingshots the air out. What's the benefit? It generates significantly higher static pressure than axial fans, perfectly overcoming the system resistance from long ducts, filters, and heat exchangers. Whether it's boiler ventilation, combustion air boost, or complex HVAC air systems, the centrifugal fan is the only choice for high-pressure air delivery. Longwell centrifugal fans are synonymous with high performance. We know stability is crucial. We use heavy-duty motors and precision dynamic balancing on the impeller, ensuring extremely low vibration and noise even during long-duration, high-speed operation. We also considered maintenance efficiency. Modular design makes maintenance and cleaning fast and easy, drastically reducing downtime. With optimized impellers and efficient motors, Longwell fans ensure the best energy efficiency ratio while providing high pressure, saving you every dollar in electricity costs. They are the scavengers of the industrial lung. In dust collection systems, the centrifugal fan is the core power that sucks away harmful dust and particles. Dealing with corrosive or explosive gases? Longwell offers special coatings and explosion-proof certified customized centrifugal fans, safeguarding your extreme safety requirements. In drying and cooling processes, the centrifugal fan ensures precise air circulation and heat exchange, a critical link in guaranteeing product quality. Longwell centrifugal fans represent high static pressure, high reliability, and high customizability. We drive the most demanding industrial processes, creating an efficient, safe, and energy-saving working environment for you. Don't let system resistance drag down your efficiency. Ready to gain precise airflow control? Consult a Longwell centrifugal fan expert for your exclusive high-pressure solution. Keep your system flowing freely.